Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.
Pinkfong.
The Donkey, Fox, and the Wolf. Once a young donkey was eating in the field. A fox saw the donkey and came closer.
Hi there. I've never seen you before. Who are you?
Hi, I carry heavy loads around here.
Oh, I see. What's your name?
My name? It's on my foot. Would you like to take a look?
If I lean over to take a look, he might just kick me. Never mind. I better get going now. What if the foolish wolf met him?
The fox went to the wolf right away.
I'm starving.
Hey, Wolf, you look so hungry. I think I just saw a young and chubby fellow over there.
Oh, really? I must go and see it. Hello? I'm a wolf. Who are you?
Hi, I carry heavy loads around here.
So, what's your name?
My name? It's on my foot. Would you like to take a look?
On your foot? Let's see.
Take this!
Ow! Ouch!
Thought you could eat me?
You foolish wolf!
Oh! Hi there! Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel and be the first to see our newest videos. Click here to subscribe.